Hello, Sagittarius, and welcome to your March 2021 readings with me. Dear Sagittarius, if you're new to my channel, I suggest you please do subscribe so that you're notified every time I release a new video. I feel that after you press on that notification button and I do the readings of today, you're going to say, why did I press on that? Because, my dear Sagittarius, this month is going to be a challenging month. I better tell you right now so that you're not disappointed. And by the way, you know what? Uh, it's always good to have some challenges, right? Because that can test us and then we know how far we have come. And the best way to deal with challenges is to deal with them, right? No matter what comes, we need to deal with them. And this month is going to teach us, Sagittarians, is that we got to deal with things with the hopeless optimism that we have inside of us. And with that optimism, you know what? You can conquer just anything and everything. I can tell you it's my experience is not when there is no hope, miracles takes place. And over here there is a lot of hope. So we don't even need to wait for miracles to happen because we are going to change things in our favor. No matter what the cards are telling us this time, inside of us there is always a reservoir of strength. There is always lots of wisdom and there is always lots of divine guidance, and that guides us through things, and that brings us to the results that we were hoping to achieve. Not 100% we will not reach that, but at least 80% we can. And then the 20% is put in by the divine guidance afterwards. But God helps those who help themselves, right, my dear Sagittarius? So let's get ready. Don't say this is a negative reading because I really don't feel anything is negative or positive. The thing is that the way we handle it, the way we take things, makes it positive or negative. Everything can turn to the best just in case we use it to our own advantage to grow through it. Yeah, don't just go through it, grow through it, my dear Sagittarius. So let's get started. And the beginning, we are thinking about money, my dear Sagittarius, over here. In the first week, we are thinking about money because it seems that we need to have our bank balance well nourished at this point of time. Some of the Sagittarians can be feeling that, oh, some money is missing on my account, or I wish I had more money to buy certain things. You wanted to invest in something, but it's not working out right now because the bank balance needs to be nourished, my dear Sagittarius. And also I would like to say that over here in the first week I am seeing that some of the Sagittarians were waiting for some people to pay them back the money. You gave them money and now you are waiting for them to return the money. They said we are going to pay it in the first week of March, but they didn't do that. And because of that, you had planned something, some investments were dependent on that payment, and that is not coming very quickly. But that doesn't mean it's not coming at all, my dear Sagittarius. It will come, but it is going to take a little bit of time. So, get organized for that right now. And also, my dear Sagittarius, I would like to say is that try to, give money. You're generous, my dear Sagittarius. Give money, but always try to see whether people are not taking advantage of your generosity. All right, so just take care of that part, my dear Sagittarius, because what happens is that you give things and then afterwards when you are in need, they are not returning you the money, or it's difficult for you to find someone to give that money. As it is, Sagittarians are lucky, so normally they shouldn't have these kind of problems, but I have always noticed that they are just the ones who give, but then when they are in need, well, there are many excuses that people can give to them. All right, so be careful regarding your money matters. In the first week it's a bit of a slow energy, okay? So in your overall life, I see the energy is a bit slow. Things are taking time. It's like a delay energy is there in the first week, my dear Sagittarius. Then we come to the second week. Now the second week is a bit of week wherein, if you can see properly in this card also, it's like, you are a bit bothered about something because somebody is coming and telling you something. Some kind of news message is coming from somewhere, my dear Sagittarius, and this message is, not very heartening. Some kind of gossip, it can be some kind of news regarding some people. It can also be a letter, a kind of a text message, an email, some kind of news through different modes can come to you in the second week, and that is a bit of, it's bothering you, and it can be related to a near and dear one. Maybe they're not doing fine or something has happened that gets you a bit worried for them, and it's like a kind of an unwanted headache. This is what I see in the second week. While some of you, you are not happy with your job, so because of that, you are, it's like, oh, what is that job? I don't like it. I would like to have a better job. So you are just, sitting and rather, I would say, complaining to yourself about that situation, that particular situation, regarding a job, regarding relatives, family issues, most probably regarding, it can be also regarding your own health in the sense, like you feel a bit low energy wise, so you start worrying, and that worry is again making your energy drained, okay? Because worrying is adding to your problems, and it is slowly it is just aspirating, is just taking away your energy. So instead of worrying, my dear Sagittarius, in the second week, I would almost like to tell you is that use that energy, that little bit of energy that you will have in the second week, to bring about solutions to problems. Saying that, oh, this is not good, oh, this is a problem, oh, this is not going to work out. Well, what is it? It doesn't sound good, right? Instead of saying, oh, here's a problem. Okay, we are going to see now how do I solve this problem? How do I get about it? Yeah, a big mountain. Oh no, this is a big mountain. How am I going to climb this mountain now? Instead of saying, okay, do I have things to climb this mountain? Is there a way, an alternate way to cross this mountain? Is there a helicopter or a plane that can fly me above the mountain? Yeah, there are so many options, so many solutions that we can think, isn't it? So just do the brainstorming in second week in order to get solutions out of those problems that are arising, be it for yourself, be it for your relatives, your loved ones, whoever that person is. Yeah. And you know what? No matter how bad a news is, when it arrives, your reaction to it makes it worse. So instead, when it arrives, you just, like, of course, this is not a kind of a news where, permanent loss. No, it's not something like that. So there is a solution energy also which comes with the problem energy. Always remember that, my dear Sagittarius. So in the second week, when the problem energy starts rising, well, apply the solution energy in front of that and says, hey, problem energy, now you go down. We are going to work well on the second week and we are going to get out of it with some help. And it is arriving in the third week. This help arrives in the third week. You are meeting a person from administration department. This is a masculine energy in the third week. It can be a person from an administration department. It can be a therapist. It can be a doctor. It can be somebody like a reflexolog, or it can be a person from law and order that you are meeting to sort out certain problems. It can be a father figure, your elder brother. It can be a wise man who is very administrative in his way of dealing things. In the third week, you're meeting this kind of a person. This person can show, that they are really, cold and antipathic in a way, but they are actually extremely well versed with their subject. So you can trust this person. to give you some good advice on the problems that must have risen in the first 2 weeks, right, my dear Sagittarius? And I'm also seeing that in the third week you are making contacts with people from administration, or you're seeking advice from some wise people. I see more the masculine energy over here, okay? A lot of paperwork also for some Sagittarians. They are working on paper things. Maybe some kind of taxes are supposed to be, this is tax time also in some countries. Then for some of them it can also be how to handle money, or you want a loan but then you have to show a particular amount to them. So this kind of administrative stuff is happening for some of you. You are giving an interview and the boss seems to be this kind of a personality. Yeah, so all in all I see this kind of masculine energy helping you out in the third week, and it's a good energy because this person will give you solutions to the questions that you pose at this point of time, my dear Sagittarius. And then we are going to the last week. Well, the last week, be careful of a backstab. The last week you can be harsh with someone, really harsh on the phone while speaking. You can really give them a tough time, I would say. Too straightforward. You're going to be blunt. I'm going to say, you are getting on my nerves and I'm not taking it. This is the kind of energy I'm seeing for Sagittarians. But my dear Sagittarius, know that your wisdom counts over here. Weigh every word you say because everything is going to get recorded against you otherwise. Alright, be very, very careful because people are not going to be as straightforward as you. They are going to be like snakes. They are going to be, turning around, and it's going to be very slippery path, and you cannot hold the snake because the snake is going to be really, really slippery, and you're going to have problems because of that. So be careful, my dear Sagittarius, over here. All right. And I would like to tell you is that be careful of a backstab, be careful of jealous people, jealousy coming up at this point of time, and try to weigh your words. Otherwise you're going to have conflicts with the near and dear ones also. Try to be very composed at this point of time. And people in astrology will do very, very well if you are related to this field. You will be doing very well, and you'll be under thorough protection. Generally speaking, also everybody will have a protection upon them, but there is this energy, especially for the people who are not in the astrology field, that this energy is very going to be like, it plays with your morale, right? It will play with your morale, and you're like going to be like, what is that, So instead of getting worked up, instead of getting angry, just be cool about it, and just observe the game, like what not people do to pull on the nerves of people, and just get entertained, try to see how they are trying hard to mess things up for you, and just smile because you will have solutions, right, my dear Sagittarius? So don't give up, and don't give them the victory, because the more you react, the more they win. If you don't react, who's going to feed their jealousy? Who's going to feed their ego? Who's going to feed their dirt, right? We don't want to recycle their dirt now, all right? So my dear Sagittarius, here was the reading. Thank you for listening to me. And yes, you are optimistic souls, so you will always get through it and come out as winners. That's what I feel for you, my dear Sagittarius. So we are not going to be afraid of these kind of energies. We are just going to work at it, and we are going to show that, yeah, we came out victorious in this, yes. And I really challenge you here. Please prove me wrong. For this reading, you have to prove me wrong. I challenge you, and you're going to tell me, all right? By the end of March, you're going to tell me, yes, you were wrong. I did my best, and I did it, and I overcame things. Yes, my dear Sagittarius. So with this challenge, I am leaving you, and at the same time, I'm sending you a lot of positive vibes. So God bless, take care, and please do like, share, and comment. Bye-bye. God bless. Bye.